Hello everyone, in our last video we received a lot of queries about using the advanced custom fields in a post. So, let's do it today. I'll show you how to use advanced custom fields in a post using Tatsu Builder. We have already installed the advanced custom fields plugin on our website. To create new fields for the post, hover over custom fields and click on add new. Here, I'm planning to create a post for a fan page website I created for the Pokemon show. This post will show the Pokemon cards to users and gives quick detail about the various Pokemon species. I'll create all the cards using advanced custom fields and Tatsu Builder. So, let's add details of a Pokemon as a custom field. I'm adding the title first. Then, I'm adding the name of the Pokemon species. After the name, let's add the details of the height, weight, description and other details. I have already created documented details of each species. Let's copy and paste the information. Let's add an image for reference. Once you've added the fields, you can always edit it in a more personalized way in order to recognize which field represents the specific detail. When you're done, click on Publish. Let's have one more species detail. I have added all the species in various fields. Let's use this information in a new post. To do that, hover over Posts and click on Add New. Let's add the post title. If you notice, you can see that the fields which we have created are already here for us to use in the post. At this stage, you could edit the details in each section if you wish to change a few details. I have a few fields which require images. Let's add images here for each species. Once you're happy with the custom fields, click on Publish. Now, click on Edit with Tatsu. Let's create a new post. You get a complete list of modules in the Tatsu Builder to choose from. Give your page a completely new look using these modules. You could search for any module if you wish to avoid scrolling through all the modules. I am searching for an image carousel. Let's add a series of images for the carousel. Now, I'm adding a small description for the post. Let's add an animated heading for the Pokemon cards. Let's edit the animation effects and other details. Now, comes the main part of creating Pokemon cards using advanced custom fields. Let's add a few sections. I'm taking 3 sections for the cards. Let's start by adding an image to the card. Once done, let's add the name of the Pokemon species and its details. As you can see, It is so simple to add various details using custom fields in Tatsu. Let's add details of other Pokemon species and edit the card as required. I have added all the details here. To save us some time, I've customized these cards a little. Now, our page looks perfect to be published. Before that, let's preview the page and see if everything's working fine. As you can see, our Pokemon cards post looks wonderful and it's all set to be published. To do so, just click on the Save button and we are done publishing our post. Piece of cake, isn't it? To get more tutorials like this, subscribe to our channel. Show your love by clicking the like button. Until next time, take care.